Hi, this is Scott Siskin. I'm the president of First Republic Mortgage Bankers. When you need a mortgage, call First Republic Mortgage Bankers and deal direct. Eliminate the middleman. No mortgage broker fees. Stop wasting your hard-earned money on your high-rate mortgage and your credit cards. You can save every single month by refinancing. You personally can save every month by locking in the lowest rates in over 30 years. And we make house calls to the entire tri-state area 7 days a week. Call 718-380-0006 if you're buying a home or you want to refinance your home. 718-380-0006.
We're looking to get another house right now.
You know, that's a very smart thing, as much as I'm joking with you. And a lot of folks think that they shouldn't buy homes now. What do you think? I mean, I believe personally that now is the best time because you can go to the seller and say, hey, listen up now. You have to bring down the price on the house now. You can negotiate. You're in a much more powerful situation. Wrong or right?
Negotiate, yes.
So where you look...
Right now is a good time to buy a house if you want to.
Now, what were your challenges going in with this refinancing? Did you try to go somewhere else, or did you just right off the bat say First Republic Mortgage Bankers?
No, we tried somewhere else, but we had First Republic. We just wanted to see the difference between First Republic and the other place, so we tried the other place first. That wasn't for us, so we went back to First Republic, and it was very good.
I mean, have you ever listened to me on the radio here?
Not really, but my husband do.
Oh, your husband listen?
Yes.
Well, I tell you what, contrary to belief, what it is that I say here on the radio is true. And I'm very happy that your husband did listen. I've always said to the people out there, at the end of the day, you just got to make sure, one, you're getting the lowest interest rate, and you got to make sure that you're working with an institution who will assiduously and aggressively make sure that they follow you through the whole way. And I'm quite sure, just like anything else, you thought that maybe it wasn't going to happen for you, right?
Right, we thought so. But it did.
It did.
And the loan doctor is very professional and very good.
The credit doctor.
The credit doctor.
As a matter of fact, Patricia, the credit doctor is actually in the studios on a Friday evening, right here, Chris, and he's with his son. I'm going to talk to his son first, with all due respect. Let's have him. I know you're a little bit short there, man, but how you doing?
Good.
What is your name?
Kyron.
Kyron?
Yeah, Kyron Arsenal.
Kyron Arsenal. How old are you, Kyron?
7.
You're 7 years old. I notice your uniform. You're reminding me of the days of going to school back in Jamaica. You got your uniform, you got your khaki pants. And you know what the funny thing, Patricia, is? Him wearing a short pants, khaki pants. Short pants, man, wearing at the studio. You can imagine them days when we used to wear short pants back in Jamaica?
I'm telling you.
Anyway, you're here with your father. How you feeling today, man? How you feeling today?
Good.
Are you proud of Daddy?
Well, yeah.
Why are you proud of Daddy?
Because, he always gives me something that he always puts in my pocket, and then I have to give it to everybody in the seminar.
Really?
He passes out keys at the
Oh, so you go to the seminars also? And your pops give you that keys to give to the people at the seminars, right?
Yeah.
What's that key for?
You give it to the seminar people to open. They use this key to open They open the door to their new home.
Wonderful. Wow. Wonderful. See, you got to allow the kids to just talk. Well, anyway, it's very great for you to hang out with Dad here in the studios, and myself, and also Patricia, who's on the phone lines. So let me talk with your dad now. Chris, the credit doctor. Patricia's on the phone. Anything that you'd like to say to her before I tell her, ask her address so I can go for dinner?
Well, again, Pat, right now we actually have a contract of sale. Not only is she paid off debts, but she currently right now has a contract that we're actually getting ready to order the appraisal hopefully early next week.
To buy another house.
A new home.
Yeah, she just mentioned that earlier. She's a very smart woman, and I'm very happy her husband, pointed her in the right direction to First Republic Mortgage Bankers after listening to Link Up Radio. Anything else that you want to say to her?
That's it. Pat, thank you again for calling in. Again, anybody that's out there listening, Squeeze, I know is going to be pushing the special programs that we have, but anybody that's listening out, I'm here in the studio, like you said, Squeeze said, with my son, the little credit doctor.
But you know what? Why don't we ask Patricia to to make that appeal to all of the non-believers across the tri-state area about First Republic Mortgage Bankers and what it is that they're doing for a lot of people. So, Patricia, in your own words, what would you like to say to people who want to buy homes, who want to refinance, who are having some credit issues, who are having challenges, who have gone elsewhere, and is just completely frustrated and upset? What would you like to say before you go?
I would like to tell them, try First Republic Bank because they are very good. Everyone over there knows what they're doing, and they will help you, and you will certainly get what you want.
Okay. Now, how much planning and coercing and how much monies were you paid to actually do what it is that you're doing here on the radio with yours truly, Squeeze?
Oh, nothing. nothing.
And you're just doing this for how much again?
I'm just doing it because I'm getting my new home soon.
Okay.
So, I'm just excited.
Well, I'm very happy that you're making your moves.
Very excited.
Very happy that you're making your moves. And when you get that new home, come back on and be another true success story, another part of your life where a true success story is concerned. All right?
I will.
Thank you so much,
Thank you,
Patricia.
Pat.
And I know which part you live, man. I come for my dinner.
Okay.
All right? Okay, be able to talk. All right?
Okay.
All right, no problem. You got to give me an address, man. Anyway, folks, his name is Chris Arsenault, and he's here with his son. And I'm going to ask his son to hang out and help him with some phone calls, grab the phones and, patch it through. Once again, folks, he's a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. And I don't care what it is that you've encountered out there in the home financing industry. We at the bank, First Republic Mortgage Bankers, would like to let you understand more about it. For example, if you'd like to buy that house and still get a very low interest rate like Patricia, why not give a call to the Link Up Studios? If you'd like to refinance, pay off your credit card bills, okay, take some cash out. Patricia took out $100,000. She paid off $20,000 in credit card debt, and she got a very low interest rate. What about you? Make that call right now to the Link Up Radio Studios. Ask for the credit doctor. He's a loan officer from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. Remember, I did say bankers, eliminating the middleman, reducing, of course, all those points that you have to pay, making sure that you pay the lowest. Make sure you call us right now. Here's the number, and Karen and Chris, they're both going to be picking up the phone lines. Okay, the 7-year-old, and I don't know how old Pops is, but I won't even ask him that. All right? Okay, the number is 718-325-5555. That's 718-325-5555. Give Chris the Credit Doctor a call from First Republic Mortgage Bankers. He is here, right here in the Link Up Radio Studios on a Friday evening. He's very tired, but he's willing to talk with you one-on-one about you refinancing, getting the lowest possible interest rate, and also, of course, buying your house and still getting another low interest rate. 718-325-5555. Call the Link Up Radio Studios right now. All compliments of Link Up Media. Thank you so much, Chris the Credit Doctor. Any words before you go grab the phone lines? That's blazing, sir.
Got it.
All right, no problem. He's off and he's running back to the studios. And remember, the Credit Doctor has his personal laptop right here in the studios. Okay? Call him right now, folks. 718-325-5555. I did tell you that I can give you testimonials of the yin yang. You think I'm joking? Watch me.